Darlings, oh my goodness. We have to talk to you about style faux
Faux
pas.
pas.
Probably the biggest faux pas we all make and could still make. So I can even blame myself for this faux pas is not maintaining and organizing my closet or my wardrobe at all times. What happens is we all get busy, so we start throwing things in our closet. If you organize your wardrobe, you can get dressed so much faster and you can be in the right season. Nothing is worse than having a velvet blouse next to a sleeveless tank top because they have absolutely no reason to be related to each other.
I definitely have that tendency to be in a hurry. And also transitioning from season to season is
Yes,
difficult, especially
yes,
when you have weather as crazy as ours, because, one day it can be 80 degrees and the next day it can be 30 degrees.
right.
So what I've taken to doing now is first of all, setting out an outfit the night before. I know
Yes.
what works. I know it's going, and
Listen, everyone, this is perfect.
maybe you have to change
Yes,
one item or something. But
right.
the other thing is, if you have the room, make a section of your closet or a separate closet, even better, where you keep all your winter coats and sweaters and things, and even shoes and boots with a hanging bag, for example. So these are small ways that you can make big changes.
Exactly.